Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. U Menteri Rangba ke Jilla u Conrad K Sangma. U lapan pau balada ka khasi Jaiñtia kamtre ban pediang ya ka lynti rel ka sorkar kan sapin kenria no ya ka teka project Sha Garo Hills. Ulakran ya kene ha ka jingya kren bakilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingya lang cabinet haying sa jong u hashilong. Ka sorkar kam shimlatmu ban penbor nreila da ka khasi Jaiñtia kam menjur ka jumpen poi ya karel kan salet Sha Garo Hills ong u Conrad K Sangma. Ulapan syairu baka sorkar pedeng kalabu kathong ban kentiu ya karel ha ki jilla kathan shate lammi ngi bar ka Meghalaya kalayo ya ka benta jongka. Henry ka jingya ki persha ka blawan na ki pait ba ha ki snem balalen kalapin sa ngi shipor ya ka jingpen urlong. U Conrad ulaong baka sorkar kadang trei borba ban pentip syakipait ba halor ki jing mentoy jong ka lynti rel kum kalat ban kentiu ya kayo ka kot bat ka kit ka ba kumba ka long menta ka rai ka syong ha ka jing sngo thu bat ka jing trei lang jong ki pait ba bat ki bor sin charge nong ben rap shu shu Menteri Rangba
the political parties, and so now we are wondering whether the same people who had said that there should be a committee now today are saying that we don't want to be part of the committee. So I really don't know what the intention was, when they mentioned this in the house. But whatever the case may be, since certain political parties have disagreed to come, we will go ahead with whichever political parties are there. But as I said, coming to the committee meeting is not a support for the cause or saying that, look, we want railways. The committee is a platform to discuss. Now, if you don't want to discuss also, then how do we move forward? So I think there has to be some change in the mindset, some positivity. We are allowing that platform and discussion to happen. You don't want to take that platform also, so what can I say? So I urge different stakeholders that let's discuss, because I'm sure there can be ways which we can find to address the concerns that people have and yet have the development that we deserve. So what can we do to find the midway, to be able to address the concerns and get development? That is the purpose of this committee. So I once again appeal even to the press that different political parties, they should engage with us. This is how democracy works. This is a democratic process and the government is providing that platform. We should come and discuss to take this discussion forward.
Sir,
It's been very clear that from economic progress point of view, railways are important for us, whether it is Khasi Hills, Jaiñtia Hills or Garo Hills. So I'm very clear on my thought that it is important. We need it. But at the same time, I've been very clear that this is a sensitive matter. And obviously, there are multiple concerns that people have. Yes, our ministers have come forward and they have said that it should happen. But I am very clear on my procedure that we will take the community and the people along with us in our decision that we make. So even if it's Garo Hills or Khasi Hills, we will engage with the people. We will talk to them. We will try to convince them. If there are certain hurdles and concerns, we will try to overcome them and take the society as a whole forward in the decision, whatever decision we take, so that overall larger development comes in to the state of Meghalaya.